Hello everyone, I'm Sri from CSD-C section. Today I'm going to tell you about a topic called exception handling in Python. Exception handling means managing errors in a program without stopping the entire program execution in Python. Exceptions occur when the program faces an unexpected situation like dividing a number by zero or opening a missing file. Instead of crashing the program, exception handling helps us handle errors smoothly and show proper message to the user. It makes the program more safe, professional, and user friendly. On the next slide, what is an exception? An exception is an error that happens while the program is running. It interrupts the normal flow of the program. For example, dividing a number by zero, or entering the wrong input, or accessing a file that does not exist. When Python finds such errors, it stops the program and displays an error message. So, exception handling is used to control these situations properly. The next one, why do we need exception handling? It is an important because it prevents the program crashing suddenly. There are three types. Prevents crashes. It improves program stability by keeping the application running even if an error occurs. Second one, user-friendly messages. It helps you us display user-friendly messages instead of confusing technical errors. And the third one is graceful recovery. It allows the program to recover from errors safely. Overall, exception handling improves the program experience and make the code more reliable. And the fourth slide is keywords used in exception handling. The major keywords are try, except, finally, and raise. The try block contains the code that may produce an error. Python checks this block carefully. And the second one, exception. If an error occurs inside the try block, the except block catches and handles the data and that handles the error also. And third one is finally. The finally block also executes whether an error occurs or not. It is mainly used for cleanup operations like closing files. And the fourth one is raise. The raise is a keyword used to create exception manually when needed. The next slide is types of exceptions. The following are the that are displayed in this PPT are the types of exceptions. Zero division error occurs when a number is divided by the zero. File not found error. It occurs when the specified file does not exist. Type error. It occurs when incompatibility data types are used together. Value error occurs when the value is invalid even though the data type is correct. And the last one is index error. It occurs when trying to access an invalid index position in a list. And the next slide is benefits of exception handling. It increases program stability. It helps in easier debugging by identifying error clearly. It improves security by hiding sensitive details. It gives a better user experience with a simple and understandable error message. So, exception handling is an important part of writing professional Python programs. And the last slide is key takeaways. Errors are common in programming, and handling them properly is a good programming practice. In Python, try, except, and finally are the main keywords used for exception handling. We should always catch specific exceptions instead of using general exception blocks. Finally, the final block is useful for cleaning up resources like files and database connection. Exception handling helps us write safer, smoother, and more reliable Python programs by managing errors effectively. Thank you.